Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is about all sewing from beginners to advanced. But today I'm not sewing. I've cut 3 different patterns that I'm going to start sewing next week, one after the other. But before I show you the pieces and also the patterns, I want to talk to you about those who want the free gift at the end of the video. But a lot of you didn't respond. Just a few of you responded. And thank you so much. I do really appreciate that you responded. Thank you so much. Now, here's the pattern. I'm not sewing the jacket, just the skirt. Okay, just the skirt. And I'm not lining it because I'm using, what do you call it, a cotton fabric. You've seen the fabric before. And this one is See and Sew 6459. 6469. Okay, See and Sew, just the skirt. The second one is Butterick6995. Butterick69, did I say 6995? And I'm sewing, okay, because of the white, that's it. I'm sewing style A, but I'm gonna shorten my sleeves. I'm gonna do short sleeves, not the long sleeve or almost long sleeve. Okay, so this is the second pattern that I have cut. Now this is the third one, 6899. 6899, and I'm sewing style C. This comes with invisible zipper. So for the first time, I'm going to walk you through invisible zipper, how to sew it. Now, the ruffles at the end of the short sleeve, my fabric is a little bit light, so I cut 2 for each piece because I want the ends to look smooth and nicely finished instead of just serging and rolling it under or just hemming it under twice. So I cut 2 for each so it will finish very smoothly and nice, as I keep repeating. Okay, and as I said, this comes with the invisible zipper at the side. Okay, now let me bring the camera down so you just look at the pieces. This is all it. And I think this is a little bit far so you don't see that. Okay, so these are all my pieces. Now, those that want, forgive me if I don't pronounce your name properly, or I might not even pronounce it at all. I'll just show it on the camera. Okay, now this lady, I didn't add her to the draw because I pick her automatically because she suggested how I should go about it. So she won automatically. Okay, I think Carter, last name is Carter, the first one I can't pronounce, but I hope you see it, and I'll get in touch with you guys through your website of your YouTube channel. Okay, there. So as I said, I'm not going to pronounce because if I do, I'm going to butcher it. Okay, and you can watch the video over and over and see. Okay, So here we go. And this one, so I have 4 winners all together. And as I said, I'll get in touch with you guys, because first I want to know what level of sewing you are before I decide which book to get for you. But other than that, we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Thank you.